Hello Ebomey, this is NWI Prepper 19113, and this is my video requirement for the Win a Rifle and Pistol package, the Ghetto giveaway. All requirements have been met, however I will state them for you. I do not own an AR-15. I can legally have an FFL transfer made to me. I do have video and still shots of a ghetto part of the town I live in, and I will be showing those to you momentarily. The other parts of the requirements are to subscribe to Urban Armed. Have done that, and Joey Cuz have done that, and Real Cobra Burnout done that also, and I've let all three of those know that you sent me, and I also made them part of my Google Plus circles. I've been a subscriber to New York Half-Ass Prepper for about 3 years. Now let's see. Okay, I guess it's time to get into the ghetto. I just got the backs of one of these houses, and I gotta be careful here before somebody starts asking questions. Anyway, here is some of the ghetto. Okay, Ebomey, that's the ghetto part. Now I'll put the stats up. Here they are. Okay, I'm having lousy luck trying to find the site that I wanted to go to. It looks like they have changed it or removed it, because I've tried a lot of sites and they're not the ones with the numbers that I was looking for. But anyway, Here is the two like speedometer graphs here. That's how safe is Lake Village, and Indiana is at 41%, and the United States is at 35%. So the United States is safer than Indiana. I can hardly believe that. Now let's see here. Here is chance of being a victim of crime in Lake Village, and this is the chance of being a victim of violent crime in Lake Village is 1 in 396. Chance of being a victim of property crime in Lake Village is 1 in 32. And the chance of being a victim of crime in Lake Village is 1 in 30. See, this is crime and property crime. What the hell's the difference? They're both crime, right? Okay. Now, year-over-year crime in Lake Village. Alright, well, the blue is 2012, and the green is 2013. And so you see violent crimes. This is violent crimes. This is property crime. That's total. So people going after the property, right? It's pretty apparent. And then here are nearby cities with low crime rates, so I don't really want that. By the way, there are only 742 for a population in this town. This was one interesting thing I did find was, I didn't know, was sex offenders in this town. There are 4 sex offenders damn near in a straight line on a street that is close to us, but they are spread out over about 3 miles. I never knew that before, and we've been here for 8 years. So I'm glad I entered this giveaway. I never found that out otherwise. Okay, I finally found this, but it's you know, way outdated here. We got 2004, 2005, but at least it does report, you know, some types of crimes. You see, you know, it's good that there's no murders, no rapes, 0 robberies. That's 05. 8 assaults, 75 burglaries, 92 thefts, and 21 auto thefts. So, you know, it just looks like people with a bunch of sticky fingers around here. And the other part here, the assaults, those are probably just, they're either bar fights or you know, domestic issues. Other than that, this is all I could find. Okay, for the open carry, or the concealed carry, Indiana does have concealed carry. We also have open carry. That's okay. However, wait till you see this. The question here is, does Indiana law require me to carry my handgun on my person or in a concealed or exposed manner? The answer they give is Indiana law is silent on the issue. However, carrying an exposed firearm in public may be alarming to some people. and create unnecessary and unwanted attention to yourself. Your right to carry a firearm may also be restricted on private property, various sporting venues, and some businesses by the owners. Be attentive for posted signs warning of restricted areas when carrying a firearm into public places. If approached by a law enforcement officer, for official business purposes, it is recommended that you tell the officer in a non-threatening manner that you are in possession of a firearm and that you have a permit. So there you go with the the vague part about open carry, but as far as concealed carry, it's fine. Okay, to go along with the concealed carry for this state, another interesting part is which states honor my Indiana handgun license. Currently, approximately 31 states honor Indiana handgun licenses. Although the Indiana State Police does not track this specific information, organizations such as the NRA and the websites such as www.handgunlaw.us do attempt to track reciprocity. When in doubt, always contact the agency of authority in the specific state to which or through which you are traveling. Okay, that concludes my video requirement for this giveaway, and I'd like to say thank you to you, Ebomey, and any and all sponsors for this giveaway. And I would like to say good luck to everybody that enters. Thank you very much. Bye.